everybody, I'm the hiking chef, and today we are hiking to EATON Canyon Waterfall. Right now I am located in the parking lot of the EATON Canyon Waterfall trailhead. It is a very popular trail, great for families, kids. It's a moderate hike. It's 3.5 miles out and back, and I have actually never done this trail before. It's practically in my backyard, and I've been really waiting to do a video about it, and it is perfect weather today. Pretty cool. It's about 9 a.m. and the lot does fill up pretty quickly, so I really advise you guys getting here early, especially on the weekends. I cannot wait to show you EATON Canyon Waterfall. Let's go check it out.
We don't have very long.
What is your verdict? Find the defendant guilty. The deadly narcotic. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you've got to get a hold of yourself.
We are in the beautiful city of Pasadena, and we are heading up to the very base of the San Gabriel Mountains. Like I said, this is a very heavily populated trail, which is good and bad. It's good because it's safer that way. I definitely recommend it if you want to do it alone. And it's bad because, you know, it's not too secluded. You don't get too much alone time. But so far, not too busy out. It's actually kind of warm down here on the foothills, a little exposed. Once I get closer to the waterfall, it should be a lot more shaded. And look out for all the beautiful sycamore and oak trees that we're gonna be passing through. So I do have to apologize. I haven't posted too much content lately. I've been feeling a little sick with a cold and haven't really been able to get out very much, and just super busy with work and just getting, you know, my life in order with the business. So everything's been going really good now, and I'm super excited to be out back in nature. It's beautiful out here, you guys. I'm really happy. I really needed to do this, and you know, this is in my backyard, and what more beautiful day than today to get out here and do this. As you can see, it is exposed a lot in the beginning, but it does get shadier as we go along. And I am super excited to see this waterfall, you guys. I hope that it's flowing nicely. EATON Canyon was named after Judge Benjamin Eaton. He was an advocate for water rights in Pasadena, so they named the canyon after him. Right now, we're only about a half mile in, and we're really almost getting to the halfway point. Still really pretty out, it's just really dry, and we are right below Herringer Flats. I'm really getting a good view of how the canyon is coming into play here. Oh, there's also a really cool bridge too, that I believe we're either gonna go under or around. All right, it's a good sign. There's water right here to my left. It's not flowing too great, but that does give me the signal that the waterfall is going. So I'm excited. I came down to the creek right here that flows from the waterfall just to kind of check it out. It's beautiful, super tranquil, little cascading waterfalls, really nice place to relax. But we're gonna get the show on the road and check out this waterfall. You guys, I cannot wait to show you what it's gonna look like. I got people in front of me and people behind me, so it's a busy trail. Came to a fork in the road, but it is very clearly marked. EATON Canyon to the right, waterfall to the left. We are gonna be heading to the waterfall. So we're gonna be heading down towards the riverbed here. And up here is the road to Mount Wilson. It's like the old Mount Wilson toll road, and that will take you up to Herringer Flats. Look at that beautiful bridge up there. Shaded back here, a lot cooler. Still looking for this waterfall though, I don't see it yet. So far, you guys, it was absolutely gorgeous. I haven't seen the main waterfall yet, so let's keep going. guys, I cannot believe my eyes, but there is like 20 people right here. Okay, that was crazy. I am so happy I passed those people right now. There's like 30 of them. So I'm gonna try to get to the waterfall before they do. And I don't hear it yet. Gonna check out my map and see how far we are. Okay, I am 1.14 miles in, which means I'm probably about a half mile from the falls. I found it. Got my first glimpse of it right now. Looks like it's flowing pretty good. Let's check it out. It's right there, right in the cuts. To Eaton Canyon waterfall. It's beautiful down here. That was the Eaton Canyon waterfall. A lot better than what I was expecting. I love chasing these waterfalls, you guys. But right now, I'm gonna head back to the truck. It's not too far of a hike. It's actually pretty fun. A lot of water crossings. So let's go check it out. right, what do you guys think of Eaton Canyon Falls? Wasn't too bad. Definitely get here early. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really inspires me to keep going out, finding new spots, and I really appreciate all the love and support, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.